I can't believe how much this one has grown. Welcome to my little indoor jungle.
Have you ever wondered why some people have lush, vibrant indoor plants while yours barely grow? The truth is, it's not luck, and it's not expensive fertilizers. There are a few simple secrets that professional plant growers use to help houseplants grow faster, produce bigger leaves, and stay healthy all year long. In today's video, I'm revealing 7 powerful tricks that anyone can use, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced plant lover. These easy methods can transform slow-growing plants into beautiful green masterpieces without spending a fortune. Be sure to watch until the end, because the final trick is one that most people completely ignore. Yet, it can make a dramatic difference in your plant's growth and overall health. 1. Give your plants the perfect light. Light is the most important ingredient for fast and healthy plant growth. Every indoor plant uses light to produce energy through photosynthesis, which fuels new leaves, stronger stems, and healthier roots. Most popular houseplants thrive in 6 to 8 hours of bright, indirect sunlight every day. Place them near an east-facing or south-facing window where they receive plenty of natural light without being burned by harsh afternoon sun. If your home doesn't receive enough sunlight, consider using a full-spectrum LED grow light to provide the energy your plants need. Rotate each pot every week so all sides receive equal light. This simple habit encourages balanced growth, prevents leaning, and creates fuller, greener, healthier. 2. Water the right way, not more. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that more water means faster growth. In reality, overwatering suffocates roots and often leads to root rot, which slows growth dramatically. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, always check the soil first. Insert your finger about an inch into the potting mix. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait another day or two. When you water, do it thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then, empty the saucer so roots don't sit in standing water. Healthy roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, producing stronger stems, greener leaves, and continuous healthy growth throughout the year. 3. Feed your plants like a professional. Fast-growing plants require a steady supply of nutrients. During spring and summer, when most houseplants actively grow, feed them every 2 to 4 weeks, using a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Nitrogen encourages lush green leaves, phosphorus strengthens roots, and potassium improves overall plant health and resilience. Always water the soil before adding fertilizer to prevent root burn. Avoid adding too much fertilizer because excessive nutrients can damage roots and create weak, leggy growth instead of healthy foliage. Organic fertilizers such as compost tea, worm castings, or fish emulsion are also excellent choices for long-term plant health. Consistent feeding provides everything your indoor plants need to grow faster and stronger. 4. Refresh the soil and repot on time. Even the healthiest plant will eventually outgrow its container. When roots become crowded, they struggle to absorb enough water and nutrients, slowing growth considerably. Check your plant every year for roots growing through drainage holes or circling inside the pot. If you notice these signs, it's time to repot. Choose a container only one size larger than the previous pot to avoid excessive moisture retention. Replace old compacted soil with fresh, high-quality potting mix that drains well while holding enough moisture for healthy roots. Fresh soil contains new nutrients and improves airflow around the roots, allowing them to expand comfortably and support larger leaves, thicker stems, and faster overall growth. 5. Increase humidity for tropical plants. Many popular indoor plants originally come from warm tropical forests, where humidity remains high throughout the year. Inside most homes, especially during winter or in air-conditioned rooms, humidity levels are often too low. Dry air causes brown leaf tips, curled foliage, and slower growth. Fortunately, increasing humidity is simple. Group several plants together so they naturally create a humid microclimate. Place a tray filled with pebbles and water beneath the pots, making sure the pot doesn't sit directly in the water. You can also use a room humidifier for the best results. Maintaining humidity between 50 and 70% helps leaves stay healthy, encourages larger foliage, and significantly boosts overall plant growth. 6. Clean leaves and prune regularly. Dust may seem harmless, but it blocks sunlight from reaching the leaf surface, reducing your plant's ability to perform photosynthesis efficiently. Every few weeks, gently wipe large leaves with a soft, damp cloth, or give smaller plants a gentle shower using lukewarm water. While cleaning, inspect your plant for yellow leaves, damaged stems, or signs of pests. Remove unhealthy growth using clean, sharp pruning scissors. Regular pruning encourages plants to redirect energy into producing fresh shoots and fuller branches instead of supporting dying foliage. For trailing plants like pothos and philodendrons, pinching the growing tips also stimulates branching, resulting in a thicker, bushier, and more attractive indoor plant over time. 7. Maintain the ideal temperature. Temperature plays a major role in determining how quickly indoor plants grow. Most common houseplants perform best between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Sudden temperature changes caused by heaters, fireplaces, air conditioners, or drafty windows can stress plants and slow their development. Keep your plants away from direct heat vents and cold drafts whenever possible. Stable temperatures allow roots and leaves to function efficiently, promoting continuous growth throughout the year. Combine the right temperature with proper lighting, watering, nutrition, and humidity, and you'll create the perfect indoor environment where nearly every houseplant can thrive, producing vibrant foliage and steady new growth, month after month. Those are the 7 secret tricks that can completely transform the way your indoor plants grow. The best part is that none of these methods are difficult or expensive. By simply improving your lighting, watering correctly, feeding consistently, refreshing the soil, increasing humidity, cleaning your plants, and maintaining the right temperature, you'll enjoy healthier, greener, and faster-growing houseplants throughout the year. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest gardening videos. Leave a comment below and tell us which tip surprised you the most, or share your favorite indoor plant. Thanks for watching, and happy growing!